Imagine standing on the edge of a vast ocean, its depths hiding one of nature's most fascinating and misunderstood creatures, the shark. For centuries, these majestic predators have been shrouded in mystery, capturing the imaginations of storytellers and scientists alike. But today, thanks to the incredible advancements in technology, our understanding of sharks is undergoing a transformation. Welcome to the world of Techno-Sharks, where cutting-edge devices are reshaping how we track and study these ocean giants. For decades, researchers faced significant challenges in studying sharks. Their vast movement patterns and the sheer size of oceans made it difficult to track these elusive creatures. Traditional methods like tagging and tissue sampling offered limited insights, but innovation was on the horizon. Enter the era of satellite tags and acoustic telemetry game-changers in marine research. Satellite tags, once cumbersome and limited, have now become essential tools in the shark researcher's arsenal. Equipped with GPS capabilities, these devices can be attached to a shark's dorsal fin, recording their every movement and even surfacing behavior. The result? Scientists can now map migration patterns with remarkable accuracy, understanding not just where sharks travel, but also how environmental factors like temperature and ocean currents influence their journeys. Meanwhile, acoustic telemetry has taken shark tracking to an unprecedented level. Small transmitters, placed on sharks, send unique coded signals as the animals move. These signals are picked up by underwater receivers, creating a detailed map of shark activity in a given area. This method allows researchers to study sharks in specific habitats over extended periods, providing deeper insights into their behavior, social structures, and breeding habits. But the technological revolution doesn't stop there. Recent developments have witnessed the integration of drones and underwater robots into shark research. Drones offer a bird's-eye view, capturing real-time images and video footage, helping scientists observe behavior without disturbing the shark's natural environment. Underwater robots, or autonomous underwater vehicles, navigate the depths, collecting data on everything from water chemistry to prey availability, painting a richer picture of the ecosystems sharks inhabit. In addition to tracking their movements, modern technology is also helping mitigate human-shark interactions, thus addressing public safety concerns. Advanced apps, fueled by data from tagged sharks, can now alert beachgoers and lifeguards to the presence of sharks, aiming to prevent unwanted encounters and foster a safer coexistence. Moreover, genetic technology is revolutionizing how we study these ancient creatures' biology and evolution. DNA analysis provides insights into population genetics, health, and adaptation strategies, revealing the hidden stories of how these magnificent animals have thrived for millions of years. Yet, despite these advancements, the work is far from complete. The mysteries of shark life remain vast, and the threats they face, ranging from climate change to human exploitation, continue to grow. However, with each technological leap, scientists gain powerful new tools to not only explore these mysteries, but also to advocate for shark conservation worldwide. This convergence of technology and biology embodies a new era of understanding, inviting us to reimagine our relationship with one of the ocean's most vital residents. As research methods advance, so too does our respect for these ancient creatures, grounding conservation efforts in solid science and innovative solutions. In conclusion, the age of Techno-Sharks has not only expanded our knowledge of these formidable creatures, but has also brought us closer to understanding the intricate tapestry of life under the sea. By harnessing the power of technology, we illuminate the paths of these captivating animals, crafting a narrative of wonder and respect that transcends fear. As we continue to explore the deep blue, may our journey lead to a future where both sharks and humans thrive side by side. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Techno-Sharks and the thrilling intersection of technology and marine biology. Remember, the next leap in understanding is just on the horizon, waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, and until next time, keep wondering about the wonders of the deep.